Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam, a new addition to Ring's lineup promising comprehensive indoor security coverage. We'll break down its design, performance, app integration, and whether it's worth your investment. Let's start with the design. The Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam sports a sleek and compact form factor, measuring 2.4 by 5.8 inches. It's available in black or white, designed to blend seamlessly into any room without looking overly intrusive. The camera's motorized base allows for a full 360-degree coverage, which is a standout feature for monitoring larger spaces. Moving on to performance, the Ring Cam captures 1080p HD video with color night vision. During daylight, the image quality is good but not exceptional, with some noticeable fisheye distortion when the camera rotates. Compared to higher-end competitors, it lacks in finer details like distinct facial features or intricate textures, which might be a consideration depending on your needs. Where it excels, however, is in its two-way intercom system. The audio quality is clear and natural, making conversations through the camera feel lifelike without any noticeable distortion. Now, let's talk about the app. Ring's app interface is user-friendly and integrates well with other smart home devices, especially those within the Amazon Alexa ecosystem. You can easily control the camera's movements, set up motion alerts, and even trigger smart home routines based on detected activity. However, accessing recorded video clips and advanced features like person detection requires a subscription, which might be a drawback for some users. Being part of the Amazon family, the Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam seamlessly integrates with Alexa devices. You can receive motion alerts on your Echo speakers, view live video on Echo Show devices or Fire TV, and even automate responses with other Ring or Alexa-compatible smart devices. One of the downsides of the Ring ecosystem is its subscription model. Without a subscription, your functionality is limited to live viewing and basic motion alerts, which is something to consider when weighing the overall cost of ownership. So, should you consider the Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam? If you're already invested in the Ring ecosystem and value seamless integration with Alexa, this camera offers reliable performance and extensive coverage capabilities. However, at its price point, competition from other brands like Eufy and Wyze offers similar features without mandatory subscriptions, making them potentially more cost-effective options depending on your priorities. In conclusion, the Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam is a solid choice for those looking to expand their Ring smart home setup with comprehensive indoor monitoring. Its sleek design, smooth camera movements, and robust app integration make it a contender in the indoor security camera market. Just be mindful of the ongoing costs associated with accessing all of its features. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.